Paul O'Sullivan is going to regret that he challenged this Member of Parliament. I'm not a green fig. I'm not a green MP. I've been in this business for a long time, and I told him that his threats and intimidation are like water off this duck's back.
Kwaba imiyalezo yasabalala ezinkundleni zokuxhumana uTrolip ayibiza njengokuhloswe ngayo kumsabisa nokumhlasela bukhoma.
Calls me a criminal. He says that he will make sure that he exposes my criminality. One thing I do know for certain, I've been elected a number of times in this country in various positions. I have no criminal record. I've never been charged for any criminality. And Mr. Paul O'Sullivan will do his damnedest. I'm not a criminal, and all I was doing as a public representative, Member of Parliament, is calling for the allegations, both his and Kwanazi's, to be investigated.
uTrolip uthi ubuholi beAction SA bumeseka ngokugcwele kanti ufuna ukwazi ukuthi uO'Sullivan ungena kanjani kusebenzeni kwamaphoyisa.
We want to know what Paul O'Sullivan has to do with the South African Police Services, why he's always aligning with one or the other and then making threats. You know, he says, I went after this one and I got rid of them, I'll come after you and get rid of you. Sorry, Paul O'Sullivan, I'm going nowhere. And what's more, I'm laying charges in the police station.
Ukuphawula okuningi kuka-O'Sullivan kwavela ngemuva kwezinsolo zenkohlakalo ezadalulwa ukhomishana amaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ezibhekise kungqongqoshe amaphoyisa osahlabe ikhefu elikhethekile uSenzo Mchunu nephini likakhomishana amaphoyisa uShadrack Sibiya